All right, so from that election news to one more breaking development, this is about the coronavirus crisis in the country. Now, what we can tell you is that the Union Health Secretary has reviewed the COVID vaccination drive. Also, preparations, remember, for the April 2021 date. The 1st of April is where everyone above the age of 45 can and should get themselves vaccinated. This meeting has happened with all states and UTs. The Health Secretary has said that there will be no shortage of vaccines with the states. It also does go on to say that Centre will continuously replenish the state's supply. Madhurima reporting more on that story for us. You know, Madhurima, I think this is extremely important considering that April the 1, that is just tomorrow, is where people above the age of 45 can come forward and get themselves vaccinated. But there has been a larger concern and a larger push saying, why don't we open vaccination for all, especially for people who are going to work, who are getting the economy kick-started? Any word on that?
Well, when we talk about the vaccination process, Deepti, this particular meeting where the Union Health Secretary has reviewed the entire process of vaccination and has promised that no state or union territory will face any sort of shortage. Let me tell you, there is immense pressure on the government to open vaccine for all, because looking at the second wave, which is pretty massive, which is facing the country, and the pressure on the government is increasing day by day to open it for all. However, the government is making all efforts, and as we know that from tomorrow, all above the age of 45, because the pressure was initially that all above the age of 50 should be allowed to get themselves vaccinated. However, now the government, acting upon that, has opened the slab and reduced the age from 50 to 45, and from tomorrow that entire thing will begin. Another fact which was very important in this meeting was that all have been advised to reduce the the wastage of vaccination, and we have to see that no vaccine is wasted.
Yes.
And has been emphasized that it should be less than 1%, because that is something that cannot be afforded. And this particular point was also highlighted by the Prime Minister with his meeting with the Chief Ministers as well, when it was held on the COVID decisions which were to be taken, when he had a meeting with all the Chief Ministers. So all these very important decisions have been taken today. We'll have to wait and watch that what will be the next phase, because the pressure with the waves, the second wave of COVID-19 is increasing on the government. However, the government has been saying that they are planning everything in a more phased manner, and whatsoever will be needed will be done to combat COVID-19. Deepti.
All right, so tomorrow is a big important day, Madhurima. For the moment, thank you. Do track that story closely for us, and do remember, staying with the coronavirus crisis in the country, these are our top headlines right now and important details coming in so far as we look deeper into the story.